I'm Becky from Becky the Traveller. So if you've not followed my adventures before, then you can normally find me hiking at various locations around the UK. I have wanted to get a camper van for quite a while now, and I've been trying to find the right one, which is easier said than done. But as you can see, I've now settled on a van, and I'm now beginning the very long process of researching how to insulate it and fit it all out. I'll be doing pretty much most of it myself, but maybe I'll be getting a few professional things done by people who know what they're doing. I'm going to get some windows fitted, that's going to be done by a professional, and I might be asking on a few friends for help every now and again. But what I'm going to do today is do a quick tour of the van, just show you around so that you can see kind of a before, and then hopefully you'll be able to see the after when I've finished. And if you've got any questions, or if you want to know anything specific about this van build, that sounds professional, then pop me questions in the comments. And if you've got any good tips and advice as well, I would love to hear that as well, because I'm a complete beginner. So here goes, here's the tour, and hope you enjoy. So here goes. This is the inside of the van. I'm just sat in the back now. I have been trying to work out where I want everything to go. I kind of need a basic idea because I need to plan the windows. Definitely having a side window fitted. I'm not sure about a back window. I might just get one fitted, because the more windows you have, the colder it can be, and also you can get more condensation. I'm not going to be doing loads of cooking in the van because I'm not going to have a kitchen, so I don't think I'll have that much condensation, so I reckon two windows might be quite nice. At the moment I'm sat on one of the wheel arches. It feels cold sat in it now. I've got all the doors open, and my plan is that my sofa / bed is going to be along this section. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to get some tape, and I'm going to tape out where I think everything is going to be in the van, and then that's going to help me work out the space and work out the electrics as well. Cool. I'm sure everyone who's done a van conversion will know this, but vans are shaped really weirdly. They're not straight anyway. Well, I've just taped everything out, and now I'm lying in my bed to see how it fits. It's quite a good idea actually, it's working quite well. I can visualise the space quite nicely. I've just bought this little footstool in from the house. It is just a square, so it's not the same size as a bed, but it will be useful as a bit of a guide for me to decide whether my plan is working or not. Oh yes, really comfy this is. really comfy. If any of my neighbours walk past, they're going to be like, what the fuck is she doing in there?